It was a heartening experience to bump into Neeraj Periwal when I was in the Jaipur Literature Festival today, and it was so wonderful to discover what he is doing.
Of course, I'm here in the literature festival, but then I came to know that Neeraj is here with Auric Mills, and I've been reading the literature of Auric Mills because he's been sharing it with me on my WhatsApp. He's my junior from Scindia School, and so when I came to know that he's here, I thought I'll personally go and visit. And we just had bites of two rotis, also two kinds of rotis, and I heard the name Khapli for the first time, and also came to know that how we lost everything in our traditional kitchens, and now he's bringing it back here. So I think he's the one who needs a lot of kudos, lot of encouragement, and he needs to be motivated to such a level, because whatever we have left behind, he's bringing it back. So lots of congratulations to you, Neeraj, and I would like to advise everybody that please, you are cooking for yourself at your own homes, then please go in for these organic substances, because the gut, the stomach, is the most precious and most important organ of our body, which keeps you healthy from going to remain healthy. So with all this roughage and purity, I'm sure you're going to have a good healthy life. So thank you so much, Neeraj, for introducing us to all this. This is
JLF में आए तब सोचा नहीं था कि नीरज से मुलाकात होगी। नीरज मेरी दोस्त सीमा के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, तो सीमा के साथ हम ऑरिक मिल्स में आए और यहाँ का माहौल देखकर मुझे मेरी माँ की याद आ गई, क्योंकि मैं तब देखती थी कि आटा चक्की से पीसा जाता था और दाल देगची में पकती थी। तो मैं कुछ पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूंगी कि माँ होती थी सब होता था, माँ होती थी सब होता था, चौके में मटका होता था, चूड़ी बिंदिया कड़े करधनी बहुओं ने पहना होता था। माँ होती थी सब होता था, क्योंकि आटा चक्की में पिसता था, आटा ठीक से गूंधा जाता, रोटी से रिश्ता होता था, दाल देगची में पकती थी, उफन उफन अमृत होता था, पूरी माँ ही स्वाद भरी थी, घूंट घूंट चखना होता था। माँ होती थी सब होता था, चौके में मटका होता था।